10 habits that damage your brain. Number 1. Poor sleeping habit. Sound sleep improve memory, decision making and problem solving abilities. Lack of sleep can compromise your ability to fight off infection. Number 2. Too much screen time. Too much screen time is addiction. Too much screen time have several effects on physical and mental health like headache, blurred vision, obesity, depression, and social isolation, etc. Number 3. Smoking. Smoking damages your blood vessels. Smoking reduces oxygen supply to your brain. Number 4. Social isolation. Social isolation can increase the risk of depression. Number 5. Skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast can lead you to decreased blood sugar level. Number 6. Negative self-talk. Negative self-talk can increase stress and anxiety. Number 7. Lack of physical activity. Regular exercise increase brain health and blood flow. Exercise reduce stress hormone. Number 8. Chronic stress. Prolonged stress can damage your brain memory center. Number 9. Staying in the dark too much. Staying in the dark too much can damage your brain. Number 10. Listening to loud music can damage your hearing. So, it's important to prioritize healthy lifestyle choices to protect your brain healthy.